ಏನದು ಕಪ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್
ಇದು
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಇದು ಕೇಸರ್ ಬಾದಾಮು ಇದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಮಗೆ
ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ
ಏನ್ ತಿಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ
Good evening, sir.
Good morning, sir.
It's good evening. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Good morning, sir.
Danush, is it good morning or good evening?
Good evening, sir.
Evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Who told good evening, Danush? Yes. Still listen, students. Everyone, all of you, please listen. We will not waste much of our time because we have so many chapters to complete for the syllabus to get over. So we will just keep all the fun activities aside for a while and then we will directly get into the chapter. So before that, all of you, please check whether you can see the white screen or not. All of you, please check whether you can see the screen or not.
No, sir.
Very good. Can you all see the screen clearly?
No, sir.
You cannot see the white screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, now we can see.
See the white screen. So what exactly I'm going to do is very simple, that I'm going to mute everyone. Fine. I'm going to mute everyone and also I will disable the chat section. Clear now? Am I clear to each one of you? Please give the thumbs up. Just show thumbs up like this by enabling your video so that I get to know that you're all following my instructions. All of you should enable your video and show your thumbs like this. I want each one of you to show thumbs up. Abhiram, you're not showing thumbs up. I'll punch you from here only, Abhiram. Fine? All of you, please show thumbs up. Very nice. Javed, Vinay, Pavan Kumar, are you all angry on me because you're not enabled your video? Pranav, Bhavish, Arush, Athar, Tanmay, Adya, Mohit. Very nice. So I believe that you're all following my instructions from now on. So I'm just going to disable everything so that you don't get to speak in between the lesson. So listen carefully. No one should write. Am I making very clear to each one of you? You're not supposed to write until and unless I tell. Is that clear to everyone now? So please follow this thing and then you will get to know. You will clearly understand. I will explain as slowly as possible. Clear now? I'm going to explain it as slowly as possible. So please make it a count that you will not write down when I'm explaining. You will just listen to the things which I'm explaining. So in this session, we will just finish the whole chapter in this session. So in this session, we need to discuss about the sense organs. Clear now what exactly we are supposed to discuss? We are supposed to discuss with respect to the sense organs. Give me a minute of time. I'll just get back to all of you. So yes, so I hope I'm clearly audible to each one of you, and I don't think so there's any disturbance in the screen and as well as in my voice. So which is the first sense organ that we are discussing today? It is that we are discussing initially with respect to the nose. Clear now? Please remember, students, first thing that you need to remember that we always smell through the nose. Clear now? We smell through what? We smell through the nose. Clear now? So this is a sense organ. Nose is a sense organ which actually helps in the identification of smell. So this is the one main thing. So if I'm talking with respect to ant, clear now? So what is the use of nose? What is the use of nose in the ant? Please listen. Uh, so as the ant moves, as the ant moves, it leaves a smell. It leaves a smell on the ground. Clear now? As the ant moves, it leaves a smell on the ground. The other ants, the other ants, the other ants follow this smell, follow this smell to find a way. So generally, please remember, students, this is very important. Generally, what we believe is that ants are generally blind. But how does the ant moves? The ant keeps moving only because of the smell. So here there is one ant, fine. This sits on the ground, it leaves some smell, fine, and it flies away. The other ant comes and sits here. It takes the smell so that it can find the path. So that is how we actually call it as that smell. We call it as pheromones. What do we call it as? We call it as pheromones. So this is the importance of nose in the ant. Next, when I'm talking about humans, clear now? What is the use of nose in the human beings? It it can differentiate. It can differentiate between a good and bad smell. Clear now? It can differentiate between the good and the bad smell. So this is the importance of nose in the human beings. In the ants, it is used to find the way. Say for example, one ant, if it is flying, it leaves the smell. As soon as it leaves the smell, the other ant traps the smell. Clear now? The other ant traps the smell and it keeps moving. So that is with respect to the importance of nose in the ants. But as in with respect to the human beings, if I start smelling, I get to know which is the good smell and which is the bad smell. So that is the importance of nose in the human beings. So this is with respect to the nose. There are some other animals also. We will I'll give you the material of that and you can just go through that. The second one that I will be discussing, it is with respect to the eyes. Clear now? What is the second sense organ that I am discussing? It is the eyes. Please remember, students, please concentrate. You will clearly understand because I am explaining it very slowly. Firstly, we generally see through eyes. Clear now? We generally see through the eyes. And after that, if I take the humans, so if I take humans as what is the importance of humans? It is that to see the objects, to see the colors. So this is how we actually see the importance of eyes. So have you all understood now? Now, when I'm specifically talking about eyes, generally, eyes are fixed. Clear now? Eyes are actually fixed. And let me do one thing. Let me do it like this. So let me do it like this. Eyes of birds. This is one special thing that you need to remember. So what are the characteristics of the eyes that is in birds? Eyes are fixed. Clear now? Eyes are fixed and it cannot move. Eyes are fixed and it cannot move. What is the second character? Few birds have very sharp vision. Few birds have very sharp vision and they can see far objects far objects. Example, it is eagle, vultures. So these are the two birds, along with so many other birds, which have the very sharp vision, which means that even they can see the very far up objects. Clear now? They can see the very far objects uh, uh, through their eyes. So what is the third characteristics? In owls, clear now? In owls, eyes are located eyes are located in front of the head, in front of the head. So this is one character. And next, when I'm just moving into the next point, in pigeons, crow, sparrow, eagle, etc. Eyes are located in the either side of the head. Clear now? It is located in the either side of the head, that is either side of the head. So these are the characteristics of eyes. So this is with respect to the nose and this is with respect to the eyes. So now what I'm going to do, students, it is very simple. I'm going to enable the chat section. I have enabled the chat section. Now please answer it as yes or no question. Fine, you have to just answer it as yes or no. Have you all understood everything about the nose and eyes? Eyes that I have taught? Please reply it as just yes or no. Have you all understood everything that I have taught in this part? Very good. So everyone have understood and only Pranav, and don't write. Please don't write. I'll only tell you. Pranav and Tushar have not understood. So firstly, Pranav, what is the doubt that you have? And Tushar, I have unmuted you, Tushar. What is that thing you have a doubt?
Sir, can you go to nose?
Yes, Tushar. Yes.
Sir, in nose, as an ant moves, it leaves a smell, no, sir?
Yes.
How will that ant, sir? Will it have another smell in front of it?
Repeat it, please.
Sir, one ant will move and the others will follow, no, sir? The ant which is leading, will it have eyes?
No, that is what I'm telling. Every ant leaves a smell. Every ant will leave a smell, and that is how it moves. Not like the leading ant will be having eyes. No, they just blindly move because they have this sharp thing of sensing, and they leave the smell wherever they go. And that smell is only sensed by the other ant. So they keep moving. That is it. And each a troop of ant, that we call it as the a nesting behavior in ants. I don't think so we can just get into that deep part. But every ant leaves a smell. Please remember that.
So, sir, every ant leaves a smell. So, there are many ways, sir. How can an ant figure out which way to go?
There are many ways.
If an ant goes many directions, it leaves many smells. So, which direction?
No,
How will it
that
know?
is what I'm telling. Ant goes to any direction. Wherever it go, it leaves a smell. Wherever it goes, it leaves a smell, and the other ants follow the same smell by leaving the smell again.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Next, Summer, please, what is the doubt? Please raise your hand so that I can give you the... Yes, Disha, I'm explaining about sense organs, correct. SENSE it is, Disha. Samarth, eyes can see, human eyes can move. See, it's moving, right? See, it's moving, I believe. It's moving, but it will move. Samarth, I think you have to please raise your hand in the given Zoom option so that I can unmute you, Samarth. Please make sure that you will do it, or we can continue with the next one. Pranav, yes, Pranav. Please, I have given the access to unmute. What is the doubt, Pranav?
You told that our eyes move, sir, but our eyes is fixed, no, sir. It doesn't move, no, sir.
Eyes are fixed, but eyeballs can move. See, your face is here, but you can see those objects. How? Because you're moving your eyeballs, right?
Yes, sir.
Why did
Yes, sir,
you
understood.
move? It is very simple, guys. Eyes are fixed to the socket here. It is fixed. The eyeballs can move. Can you see my eyeballs are moving? Can you
Yes,
see?
sir. Sir, and if it moves blindly, sir, doesn't it dash to the obstacles and die, sir?
No, see, Pranav, what exactly happens is that there is this thing called as nesting behavior in ants. Fine. So there are different kind of ants. Say, if I'm staying in my home, am I the only person I'm staying in my home? No, I have father, I have a mother, I have a siblings. We all stay together, right? So I always follow my dad's and mom's instruction. In the same way, also there are so many things like that in ants as well. But if I start explaining again, it will go out of the concept, which I don't want to do it here, because I want all of you to please stick on to the subject or stick on to the syllabus. So if it's necessary, definitely I will explain.
Okay, sir.
These things are not necessary actually. Yes, thank you, Pranav. So Samarth, you have raised your hand. Yes, Samarth, what is the doubt? Samarth, yes, what is the doubt?
Is it audible, sir?
Yes, it's perfectly audible, Samarth. Please tell me.
So when the ants leave a smell on the ground and walk, sir, even the other ants will leave a smell, or only when the other ants leave a smell, it will go in different directions and there are more directions to walk. So how it will
Okay, listen.
get to
There
know,
are 100
sir?
ants here. Can you all see the screen? There are 100 ants here. One ant will take this direction. It leaves the smell throughout the direction and it jumps. The other ant, being the blind, clear now, the other ant, being the blind, it has to take up the same direction, right? How can it go into the different direction? This ant is going into this direction and the second also ant also follow the same direction. How it can go to the different direction? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thank you, Samarth. Now, all of you please start writing this. All of you please start writing this and let me know if it's done, because we have still ears, skin and tongue to discuss. We will complete the chapter today, students. Please finish it off. All of you please start writing this part. Make it fast. Satvik, please don't write when I'm explaining or when I'm talking to you people. I write down only when I give you the time to write. Why do you do such things? 5 students. Why you have raised my hand? Oh, sorry. Why do you have raised your hands? Tell me, my students. What is the reason that you have raised your hands? Tell me, Pranav, Samarth and Vinay, what is the reason? Achyut, you have a doubt. Achyut, you can please raise your hand so that I give you the access to unmute. Please raise your hand, Achyut. Achyut, Javed, please raise your hands if you have doubt in the Zoom option. Yes, Javed, I'll unmute you now. Yes, Javed.
So can you go to the next sentence album after nose?
Because everyone are writing, right? We cannot rush like that. Now, we will just wait for everyone to complete it.
Yes, sir.
Please finish it off. Don't skip the points. Yes, shall I change the slide now? Shall I change the slide? Everyone are done writing? You're sure everyone are done writing? Very good. Please start writing. Please start writing this, students. Yes, Disha, definitely I will explain. Definitely I'll explain. Don't worry. See, ice cannot move. Only eyeballs can move. Please remember, ice cannot move. Only eyeballs can move. Please finish off this part, writing the entire thing. Can you show the last one? I want to. Yes, definitely I'll show. Please write down now. Please write down this thing. Archit, yes, definitely I'll show you the previous one. Please write down this. Yes, Archit, don't worry. You didn't understand this handwriting power. Let me write it neatly from the next one. Don't worry. Yes, are you all done writing this? Are you people still writing it? Shall I change this? Shall I explain the next one? Shall I explain the next one? Are you all done writing? What about others? Please write down. Pavan Kumar, please finish it off. Second class, I'm not sure about it. Yes, I think so. We will upload it. Yes, very good. All of you, please start writing. Yes, Archit, definitely I'll show the previous one. So guys, I'm going to change it now. So all of you, please listen to it very carefully. Yes, I am there. Please wait. Let everyone please take the screenshot. Fine, Vinay? Yes, I'm going to change it now. So shall we get into the next concept? Fine then. So listen all of you. Now I'm starting the third one, the third sense organ. The third sense organ, it is about the ears. Again, I don't want anyone to message when I'm explaining. So first listen to it very carefully. You will automatically understand because I'm explaining at a very lower pace, right? That is the reason. Firstly, what is the help of this ears? First one, it is basically we hear. Fine, we hear through ears. Fine, now we generally hear through ears. Next, what is the role of ears in the snake? What is the role of ears in the snake? It helps to feel. It helps to feel the vibration helps to clear vibrations on ground. Clear now, it helps to feel the vibrations on the ground. So this is the role of ears in the snake. Next question, that is fishes in sea. Fishes in sea. What is the role of ear in the fishes that is actually present in the sea? They can sense tsunami waves. Fine, they can sense fine. So the fishes which have the ears, they help in what? They can sense the tsunami waves. They can sense the tsunami waves because it has some kind of frequency and they can experience it. So in elephant, with respect to elephant, their big ears help to fan their body. They help to fan their body. So this is with respect to the elephant. So this is other things that we need to understand about the ears. What is the next one? The next one, it is skin. Now we are talking about skin. So please remember, students, it is very important. We generally feel through skin. Clear now? We generally feel through the skin. So this is how you need to understand this. And after that, in frog, fine. In frog, what is the role of skin? It helps to breathe. It helps to breathe. And next, in birds, body is covered by feathers. So body is covered feathers which help them to fly. Which help them to fly. And after that, in human beings, very important thing, in humans, helps to maintain, it helps to maintain body temperature. So whenever we have fever, we will touch, right? We will just touch the skin to feel whether it is hot or whether it is cold. Whenever we feel cold, we wear some sweaters. All those things, feeling, sensation to maintain the body temperature, the skin is very important. So I hope it is clearly understood to everyone. And the last sense organ, it is tongue. Clear now? The last one, it is tongue. With respect to tongue, what generally happens is that uh, this particular thing, it basically helps in taste. So we taste through tongue. We taste through the tongue. And after that, with respect to the humans, it generally helps in tasting the food. And with respect to dogs and cats, with respect to dogs and cats, it helps to clean their fur, helps to clean their fur and body. Clear now? And with respect to frog, what is the role of tongue in the frog? It helps to catch food. It helps to catch the food. And next one, it is snakes. With respect to snakes, help them to smell chemicals in their surroundings. Helps them to smell chemicals in their surroundings. So this is with respect to the tongue. It's kind of poisonous. Their teeth are very poisonous because they leave out some sort of venom. So this is about the tongue, and this is with respect to the skin, and this is with respect to the ears. And this word, it is breathe. It helps to breathe. The skin in the frog, it helps them to breathe. So this is with respect to all the sense organs. And so far we have completed the chapter and we have done with all the parts in this chapter. Now I just want all of you to please reply it as an yes or no. Have you all understood the things which I have taught about the three sense organs now? Please reply it as just yes or no, only once. Only once. Very good. So if you all have understood, very nice. Very nice. So all of you please start writing them. All of you please start writing about ears now. Keep your videos enabled. Pranav, Gagan, Bharat. Now if you don't enable your video, I won't give you the attendance. Simple. Tanmay, you have a doubt. Tanmay, where are you? Tanmay, enable your video, we'll see. Where are you? Ah, yeah. I have given access to unmute, Tanmay.
Sir,
Yes, Tanmay, I have given access to unmute.
sir, I have a doubt in tongue, sir.
Yes, sir, Tanmay, please ask me.
Sir, can you please go there?
Yeah, here it is.
Sir, you told, sir, dogs and cats help to clean their fur and body, sir. Sir, but some of the breeds of some dogs, sir, they don't have fur.
Okay.
So then,
No. It generally helps to clean their ears. It can also help in sensing. It's just the one part which I have selected to make it as easy. That's it.
so you told ears, their tongues are here, sir. So how will they go to the ears?
It generally helps in cleaning part. See, say for example, if it gets an itching part, have you seen the dogs lick there? Fine, it's licking because it is also cleaning there. Fine, it's the licking part is only cleaning like that. It's just like that part.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And FEEL. So now please write down about the ears first. Please write down about the ears first. Pavan, why you cannot, why you are taking screenshot? Please write down. That is the thing we have given time for you to write down. Adya, you have a doubt. Please write down. See, why I should go for tongue? I have given all of you to please write down for years. Who asked you people to complete it early when I'm explaining only? No, you're not supposed to do that. All these things make me to trust very less on you people. Is it so? Adya, I don't think so. Your video is enabled, Adya. Please leave a message in chat section about what is the doubt that you are having. Let everyone complete the years and then I'll explain. Elephant, what is the sentence of elephant? Their big ears help them to fan. That is, it's like a fan, right? It gives out some wind. That is how I have framed the sentence like that. The fan, not T fan. The to fan. To fan their body, not T fan. Is it done? Are you all done writing about ears? Yes, I'm going to show it about skin. Please write down now. Majority of you are not writing. Vinay, you should write. You are asking me, right, what is snake? Did you get the answer for that, Vinay? Good. Skin. Ears, please write down because we are just running out of time. We just have 3 minutes left, students. Please finish it off at the earliest stage. Please finish it off. We'll see who will write first. Finish it off. Finish the writing part. Are you all done writing, students? Are you all done writing? You have class. Yes, please write down about tongue now. I think we started class at 4. We completed the chapter today. We had a small part of a chapter, that is sense organs, and that part is completed. And in the next session, I will be discussing the question and answer of the same chapter. I don't think so we have done anything much more than that. So are you all done writing this? Shall I close the session for the day? You are done, you are Pawan Kumar. Very good, Pawan Kumar. Finish it off, Yuktesh, Abdul Khan. Finish it off. Adya, yes, what is the doubt you have? Please reply in the chat section. Wait, I'll unmute you, Adya. Have you raised your hand, Adya? Yes. Yes, Adya, what is the doubt?
When snake eat food, does it feel the taste of the food, sir?
It was not audible to me, Adya. Can you please repeat it?
Sir, when the snake eats food, does it taste the food, sir?
Does it?
Taste the food.
Eat the food, huh? What is that? I didn't get your question only. Taste. Oh yeah, it does.
Taste.
Yes, it does taste. Obviously, right? When you give a veg to snake, it won't eat. When you give a non-veg to snake, it will eat, because it's now, that's how it tastes, right? Yeah. Yes, Adi, I hope your doubt is cleared. So yes. So can you please go to the Rohit? Fine, Rohit. Yes, please take a snapshot of this. Those who have not written, I'm going to stop it now. Very good, Rohit. Very brilliant. Neat handwriting. Yes, you finished today's class. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just stop this for as of now. Skin. Satvik, what you were doing? You didn't write anything. Please take a snapshot of this. Finish it off. Is it done? Shall I change the slide? Does the snake bite its food? What kind of question is this? What am I supposed to answer for this? Listen, the food itself is acting as a prey, right? So means they directly enter into the digestion part. So I have stopped it now. We will close the session for the day. So thank you all for attending the session. Thank you so much. In the next session, I will be starting the question and answer part. Thank you.